Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. Today we're going to be going into an unboxing of some more car cleaning chemicals and supplies for future videos, so I'm just going to get right into it. All of these orders were from Amazon, and there are a few different brands and everything, so let's just get into it. We'll see what we have in the first package. First up is going to be some Chemical Guys spray bottles. The reason I purchased this was for certain chemicals, like I have a Mcguire's quick detailer that I have a broken bottle on, so I purchased this that I'll be using these for. So Mcguire's quick detailer and a couple others that I'll be using this for. It does come with a nice sprayer. You can get the ones with the standard sprayer on top, but these are supposed to be the upgraded ones, so that's why I purchased this. It does have an adjustable sprayer on the top, and I can label it whatever I need it to. This can also be used for like dilution products, like if you need to dilute something and mix it with water, then you can use this as well. I also have larger sprayers. But other than that, I picked up another bottle of the Swift Wipe Waterless Car Wash. I used this in a previous video in order to wash the Camaro in the garage. This stuff works great. I really like it. It smells good. It does a good job. It lays down a protective sealant on the car afterwards, and it's really easy to use, and it's good for everything exterior. So I went through probably half a bottle on my Camaro for that. So I picked up another one. And then I picked up the lightning fast stain extractor as well. This I will be using to clean up some floor mats and seats. So I'll be doing a video on this as well to see how well it performs, and I look forward to doing that. So, and then I picked up some yellow microfiber towels. This is their Workhorse. It's supposed to be really good. I already have a set of the blue, which I really like. So like I have stated in some of my other videos, I use blue for windows, yellow for interior, and green for exterior, and tan for seats. So I picked up a couple more of these. These are 3 packs. So that's it for the first package. What we have here is the Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner. This is it's a colorless, odorless cleaner, kind of used for everything. So you can also use this on floor mats and cleaning up stuff before you actually apply a coating or anything like that. Like let's say you're doing the engine bay, you want to clean it up, get all that grease and grime off, and then apply like a shine to it. Or if you're doing trim around the vehicle, this is really good. So this is actually one of the products that I will be using these bottles for. So, and then here are the tan Workhorse microfiber towels that I told you I will be using for leather. And then I also picked up some tan microfiber applicator pads for leather as well. I have some blue ones which I use for like interior, like let's say the dash, and then engine bay, and just certain chemicals. So this will be specifically for leather. Here I actually picked up some of these Hex applicator pads. I think it's Adams that sell this exact same thing, except they're a little bit more expensive. So I went through this brand, Glearo, Glaro, but it seems to be made very well. It's all I've heard is good things about this style applicator pad, so I'll be using this for my tires and stuff. So it's kind of a really cool design. And all of these products will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. So this is a way to save money if you don't want to spend a little bit more on the Adams version. And then I also ordered pumps for this and a few other products that I will be purchasing as well. So this is just going to be really nice. This one has really good reviews, so that's why I went with it. Chemical Guys also sells some, but this is the style I went with. So we'll be doing a review on these just to make sure that they work well and they don't leak or anything like that. So there's the pumps I got. It was a set of 4. So what we have here are a few different Chemical Guys products. This is a leather cleaner. I already have kind of a quick leather detail sprayer, which works really well, but I wanted to try out a couple of their other products, and these come together so you can clean the seat and then you can apply a leather conditioner, and that's where these little pads are going to come in handy as well. So I'll be doing a review on these. And then I also got a headlight restorer. So my wife's Kia Spectra, her headlights are very foggy, so we're going to be using this product to see how well it does and how long it maintains that new look, if it actually restores the headlight. So we'll be doing a review on this as well, and stay tuned for that. And then next up, I purchased, Chemical Guys also sells a brush like this, and this, a lot of companies do, but I'm not going to buy all products from one specific company, especially if they cost more for basically the same product. This is by Better Boat upholstery brush set, and they're supposed to be really good. This is a horsehair brush, and this is a nylon brush. This I will be using for the floor mats and seats and stuff to really remove dirt and grime from those types of materials in the car. And then this will be specifically for massaging in leather cleaner and stuff like that to the seats where it needs to be soft and not damage the seats or leather. So that's why I picked these up. So that is it for today's haul. Quite a bit of products here, but I will be doing an in-depth review on basically all of these products to see how well they work and my thoughts, and I'll share them with you. But everything here will be linked down in the description for you guys. If you guys are interested, please let me know your guys' thoughts. If you've used any of these products before, and your thoughts on the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys in the next one.